Hello my dear friends and welcome to a new video from Mad Max Deals and Reviews. Today I'm starting at my bunker, or the bunker near where I live. I have the MOH35 on my hard hat and let's see how it performs underground. At first I want to say thank you to Magicshine for sponsoring this video by sending me this sample. I received it in this very nice box. You guys know I like boxes, and when they are put some thought into it. Everything came secure in this nice foam. There is a kind of a double floor, and underneath there is this additional head strap, the user manual of course, USB Type-C charging cable, and some of the accessories have been also hidden under there. Okay, maybe at first we look in this additional head strap. It's meant to have it over the head, so you have a better weight distribution when you are going for running or something like that. And I like that it's an add-on. You do not need it, and if you want, just slide it in here, and on the front side too. You see, that's only a matter of seconds. Whoopsie. And you're good to go. And if you don't like it, like here on my hard hat, I don't like it in the middle if you bump somewhere, or when you're in the cave, if you rub it on the walls. I prefer it without it. You can have it without it, so that's really cool. And overall, I like the modularity of the Magicshine system. The clip here, you can use it or not, that's up to you. And the battery pack, just unplug it, remove it, and you can take it wherever your charger is. You do not need to put this on your computer desk to plug it in to recharge it. Just leave it in the car, in your tool, on the equipment box. There's 4000 milliamp hours. I think that's a 21700 cell inside. Here is with this rubber sealed the charging port, which is USB Type-C, and plug it in to charge it. There is an additional button to see the charging status. When it's green, it's 75 to 100%. Green flashing is 50 to 74. Then there is a solid red light, which is 25 to 49, and 1 to 24% would be red flashing light. So you can always see how much you have left in runtime. And it also doubles as a power bank. So if you have anything like a phone or something, you can plug it in. There is I bought this cheap adapter from USB-C to regular USB, so I can charge everything I want. It's a cool add-on. Yeah, what else? Building quality is really nice. I didn't find any problems with the Magicshine products I own so far. I quite like them. Maybe if I could ask for something, a bigger cooling fins that in my opinion would increase more time on the higher levels, because it gets really hot, but that's not really a problem. And what I like, it's very small, and the switch is mounted on the top, so you can use it with both hands, and even if you have gloves on, no problem at all. So that said, maybe we look into the tunnels for the user interface and how the light spreads out. Okay, let's look at the modes and the user interface. I am 10 meters away from the wall. The camera is set to 1600 ISO, f3.5 and 20 frames, so it's the same as all my Beamshots. The tunnel end is 3 meters wide and 2.5 meters in height. Now I am in low in the main LED. Single click gives you medium. Single click gives you high, which is 400 lumens. And I'm pointing out at the middle of the wall. Another click gives you the turbo with 1000 lumens. And then it toggles low, medium, high, turbo, and so on. If we double click, we go into the warm white wide angle light, low, medium, showing around a little bit, and high. And again, short click toggles in the modes, low, medium, high. Double click gives the red light in low. Single click goes to high. That's a lot. That's very impressive for the red light. Again, short click and another short click gives a SOS, of course, forgot that. So low, high, and SOS. A double click jumps to white main. And I'm not very happy it goes to 400 lumens, then turbo, low, medium, high. So let's go into the low mode. Double click goes to low white, warm white. Double click, low red. Double click, high white. That's a minus for me. I would prefer to have last mode memory here or every time starting in the low mode. Makes more sense for me personally. But other than that, I'm really liking the light quality. So once again in the long tunnel, that's one white low, one white medium, one white high, red in low, red in high, main white 400 in high, oopsie, single click it is, main white turbo, main white in low, main light in medium. White middle. Okay, I hope you liked that. And now to the maybe more boring stuff. I made several runtime graphs with my equipment and measured the brightness of the different levels with my calibrated lux meter. So let's dig into the data. In this run, I just hit turbo and looked what happened without cooling. After 2 minutes with more than 1000 lumens, it dropped to 660 lumens. Then there is a plateau of 470 lumens for 3 hours, then 9 minutes 410 lumens, then 1 hour 35 minutes with 110 lumen, and then additional 2 hours and 40 minutes with 33 lumen before it shut off. That is a total runtime of 7 hours and 45 minutes. Here you see a torture test by me. I reactivated turbo every 5 minutes. At the beginning there was no fan. You see the red line, the temperature went up to 56 degree maximum, and as you can see, the first 3 peaks went from 1000 lumens down and even more down. The bottom where this fan on arrow is written, the bottom was about 460, 470 lumens, something like that. And then the turbo was not able to activate anymore after 20 minutes. So I switched on my fan and was able to cool down the head a lot. And after 25 minutes, I was able to reactivate turbo again. As you can see, with the cold light, the small peaks, like a saw, is about 40 to 45 degrees. The peaks in lumens, the turbo peaks, reaching 1000 lumens and giving us a base of 640 lumens with the cold head, which is quite nice. After 1 hour and 20 minutes, you can see at the bottom, there was a plateau phase of 404 lumens for 1 hour and 45 minutes. You can see there are 3 peaks where I was able to reactivate turbo again, and I think due to the low voltage in the cell, turbo was not able anymore, so I did not try to reactivate after the 2 hour line. So 404 lumens for 1 hour 45 minutes. Then we got an additional 1 hour and 10 minutes with 106 lumens. Again 33 lumens for 2 hours and 25 minutes, summing up to a total of 6 hours and 65 minutes, which is very impressive compared to 7 hours and 45 minutes which with just 1 peak. So the more often you use the turbo, the higher level you run, the shorter of course is the runtime. And last but not least, my measuring results. In the main white on turbo, it is rated 1000 lumens. I got 1048 peak. Instead of 400 lumen in high, I got 415. In medium, I got 106 instead of 100. And in low, I measured 33 instead of 30 lumens. So that's average 5-6% higher. The candelas is rated with 3600 candela and 120 meters of throw, and I got 4700 candela, which calculates to 173 meters. With the auxiliary, the warm white, which is rated for 100 lumen in high, I measured 96. Which is 4% less. Medium should be 50, I measured 45, which is 10% less. And low, there is should be 5, I measured 4, which calculates to 20%, but I guess this within the tolerance. I measured 425 candela in high, which calculates to 41 meters of throw. In red, there is the numbers, and you see below that the corrected value. So my lux meter have a factor which is 0.52 for red light measured, and I'll just tell you the corrected numbers, which is 107.7 instead of 100 in high, and I measured corrected value of 5.8 instead of 5 for low. So that's quite nice within the given numbers. And the throw in red, I got 54 meters, sorry, calculated 726 candela. And that's it. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to contact me. My email address is in the description below. If you like my videos, hit the like button. Maybe you also subscribe to my channel. That really would help me a lot. And either way, I hope I see you in one of my next videos. So stay tuned. Bye bye.